Hello everyone, welcome to the MCQ Practice Series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today we are with the set 7, which is the episode 7 of History MCQs. I am hoping that you are liking the previous ones, so move towards the first question. The first question is, consider the following pairs. Here we have the terminologies and here we have the description, and you have to find out that which one is the correct or incorrectly matched. Hiranya, cash tax taken during the Maurya period. Dinar, gold currency of Gupta period. Udrang, Gupta period, irrigation. Mahask, copper coin of Maurya period. And the answer is only 3. Coming to the explanation, the answer is C. Udrang was a type of land tax taken during the Gupta period. The gold coin was called dinar in Gupta inscription. During the Gupta period, the use of currency among the common people decreased compared to the Kushan period. According to Fahian, the common people used to make daily exchanges by bartering goods or using cowries. Another copper coin, Kakani, was also popular during the Maurya period. Hence, option C or pair C is not correct. Coming to the next one. Which statement is correct regarding the development of monetary system in India? On the coins of Maurya period, only the figures of rulers were engraved, whereas on the coins issued by the Greek rulers, the names of the rulers were engraved along with their figures. The second statement is Indian influence is more on the carved figures on the early coins, while Greek influence is prevalent on the coins of later period. Your options are only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. And the answer is D, which is none of the answer are correct. Till the end of the Maurya period, only symbols were inscribed on the coins and there was no name and figure on the ruler of them. The coins issued by the Greek rulers had name and image of the ruler engraved on them. So what is the difference here? In Maurya period and in the other periods, that till the end of the Maurya period, the coins does not have any name or figure, and the coins issued by the Greek rulers had the name and image of the ruler engraved on them. Then hence statement 1 is not correct. Foreign conquests had a great influence on the artistry of the Indian currency. Early coins were influenced by Greek mythology and Greek culture. Gradually, mythological stories began to be taken from both Greek and Indian sources, written in both Kharosthi and Greek script. So, the statement 2 is not correct. Coming to the next one. Agronomy officers were related to which of the following areas during the Maurya period? Weights and measures, administration management, road building, revenue management. And the answer is here agronomy is related to road building. Megasthenes, who was an ambassador of the Mauryan era Greek ruler Seleucus Nicator, gives an account of an officer named Agronomy. And in the comment section, you have to tell me that Megasthenes has written which book. You have to name that book. Coming to the next one. In the Mauryan period, Sita signifies a goddess, a religious sect, income received from government land, barren land. And the answer is C, income received from government land. Coming to the explanation part, there were 3 pillars of economy in the Maurya period, and these were collectively called as Vrat. And the first one is agriculture, second is animal husbandry and industry, and third is commerce and trade. The Maurya period was primarily based on agriculture. Both the state and farmers had rights over the land. Sita Bhumi was the land which was government land. It was looked after by an officer named Sita Dhyaksha. Kautilya described the income received from this land as Sita, and Kautilya has written this particular thing in Arthashastra. And Kautilya has also a different name, which is Chanakya. Coming to the next one. Who among the following was the first to invade ancient India? Shak, Greek, Kushan, Pahlva. And answer is Greek. The Greeks first invaded India in 2006 BCE. Coming to the next one. With reference to art and literature resulting from contact with Central Asia in the post-Maurya period, consider the following statement. Gandhara and Mathura art styles developed during this period. The statues of Mahatma Buddha were made only in Mathura style. Here you have to look the word only. 𝐸𝐴𝐻 has composed a poem named Saundranand in Sanskrit language. 𝐬𝐴𝐻𝐒 was started by Greeks. And the answer is C. It means the 2 is the wrong one. Coming to the explanation part, rulers who come from Central Asia developed a new art style such as Gandhar and Mathura. In these, mixture of both local and Indian characteristic is found under the influence of Buddhism. Statues of Mahatma Buddha are found in both Gandhara and Mathura style. The statues of Mahatma Buddha were made in mixed style of Greece and Rome. Hair of Buddha was made in Greco-Roman style. Mathura was basically the center of native indigenous art, but the influence of Gandhara style was prevalent in Mathura also, and unique statues of Mahatma Buddha were made in Mathura style. His statues were made in both Mathura and Gandhara style. 𝐸𝐴𝐻 had the protection of Kushans. He has composed a poem named Saundranand in Sanskrit language. So you need to know the language of also the poetries. And the Greeks also contributed to the development of Indian theatre by introducing the practice of screen. This is very much important. Since the curtain was introduced by Greeks, it was called, or it is known as Yavanika. So Yavanika is the curtain and the Greeks introduced screen. Coming to the next one. The picture of a ship is depicted on the coins of which of the following kings? Gautamiputra Satakarni, Vasishtiputra Pulamain, Rudradaman I, Yagjashri Satakarni. The answer is D. Satvahana king Yagjashri Satakarni was fond admirer of trade and sailing. The picture of ship is depicted on his coins, which is indicative of his interest in sailing and maritime trade. And here you should not confuse with Gautamiputra Sri Satakarni because he was a very popular from the Satvahana dynasty. Here the king is different. Yagjashri Satakarni. Coming to the next one. With reference to the Satvahana Empire, which of the following statement is false? They adopted baked bricks, ring wells and the art of writing from North India. 22 wells made of bricks have been found in Pedanbankur. They traded with the Roman Empire. Vasishtiputra Pulamavi defeated Shak rulers Rudradaman twice, and the answer is D. Shak ruler Rudradaman I had defeated Satvahana ruler Vasishtiputra Pulamavi twice, but did not kill him due to marital relation. So this point is very much important. That's why statement D is false, and other three are correct ones. The people of Deccan learned the use of coins, baked bricks, ring wells and the art of writing etc. from North India. 22 wells made of baked bricks and bricks dating back to the 2nd century AD have been found at Pedambankur in Karimnagar district. Roman coins found from Satvahana period indicate increasing trade between Satvahana Romans. Coming to the next one. The administrator of which of the following was called 𝐸𝐿𝐻𝐒? Province, food, rural area, military. And the answer is C. 𝐸𝐿𝐻𝐒 was called as the head of the village. It was entrusted with the administration of rural areas. He was the head of a family contingent which had made 9 chariots, 9 elephants, 25 horses and 45 foot soldiers. He maintained peace in rural areas. This data is very much important, so you need to remember this. Coming to the next one. Consider the following statement. The post-Mauryan period is famous for making various types of coins of gold, silver, copper, bronze, lead, putty. Round Chile was called Yavan-Priya. Roman Emperor Trajan discovered the Persian Gulf. Which of the following statement are correct? And the answer is D. It means all are correct. Coin minting was an important craft in the post-Mauryan period. This period is famous for making coins of gold, silver, copper, bronze, lead and putty. The Romans were very fond of Indian round chilies. Hence, Rome used to spend a lot of importing round chilies from east, due to which the name round chili in Sanskrit become Yavan-Priya. So, Yavan-Priya is round chili. The Roman emperor not only explored the Persian Gulf, but it also conquered Muscat As a result of his trade and conquest, Roman goods reached Afghanistan and northwestern India. So what it shows that intermixing of the trades and different materials transported and imported to other countries, and that's why they have given the different name and they have become a fond of different kind of Indian materials. So that's why all these statements are correct. Coming to the practice question, which of the following dynasty is also called Pitrabhakt dynasty? Mathura dynasty, Vashisht dynasty, Man dynasty, Nal dynasty. So you have to answer this in the comment section. I hope you are liking this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.